Hello everyone, this is our art gallery. You can also be a part of our art gallery. So send your artwork, art videos and any other talent videos in our mail ID and you can contact us in our WhatsApp number.
Hello everyone, once again I am Vishwajit and representing Doremi. Durga Puja is coming, we all are excited. And in this video, I am going to show you a craft on a friendship. Watch the craft and comment us how much did you like and how many dresses you have got in this puja and how much did you fun with your friends. Not only that, in this video I am going to introduce another talent of our Doremi. I know you all are very much talented, so you need to share your talent and we will promote your talent also. So Doremi platform nourishes the star to shine. So join our platform and keep shining bright and share and subscribe because this is your platform too and we want more people watch you.
Hello, I am taking a CD cassettes and a sketch pen and a A4 sheet in landscape mode. Now I am folding the paper from the middle. Now again one more folding. Okay, now take your cassettes and draw a round shapes. You can use any bowl also. Now draw the hair, eyes, nose and mouth. Very simple. And ear, neck and shoulder. Open it, look. Now you have to complete the inside face also. But here we will change the character of the figure. The moment the paper will be open, you can see the face is changed with different expression. The boy is looking very naughty over here. I'm changing the hairstyle and complete the drawing with neck and shoulder and just dress also printed with different type of patterns. Now one more figure, same we will do, but here we will make it a girl. Eyes. Now I will draw the bindi, but bindi will be little bit in the right side. It should not be on the left side. Okay, don't draw the bindi in the middle also. Same, I am doing the hair, ponytail, that will be also in the right side. When you fold the paper, that can't be visible. Yes, look, you can't see the ponytail and the bindis. Now coloring is very simple. You first color along with the border, then you fill with color. So be very careful when you are coloring. Be very gentle when you are coloring. I am coloring the face yellow to make it look bright. Our neck will be also same color. After all, this is our body. Yes, look, this part is left, so color it same. The moment you will fold it, it looks same. So color also will be same. Look, now this is the time to complete the girl. Every face will be same color. You don't try to change the color. Face colors you have to keep same. Look. Now for the hair, I'm not using black color. I'm using deep violet, dark violet color. because yellow and violet is a complementary color, so that our drawing and coloring look very bright and attractive. Now the dresses they are wearing will be red color. Here also I am not changing the color. It is very simple, but it's a very magical. You can have a fun to show your parents, friends, anybody. For having a little changing, I have used blue color. Inside of the mouth, I am using the red color. So I have done this. Now you try to make. This is our boy. He's alone now. He has got his friend. Now Rishabh Bhattacharya is coming with his wonderful crab. Please encourage our talent to subscribe the channel, press the notification bell, choose all option, like, comment and keep sharing. Thank you for watching.